Now
Hello,
you're recording.
welcome to math today.
Hello, Mrs. Cardy.
We have Paul here with us today and some other students too. So let's start with this equation. Paul, what was the next step?
I want to plus 3 on both sides. Add 3.
Awesome. Good writing. Are you using a stylus?
No, I'm using my mouse, but being very careful.
Okay, so if I keep using blue, you always know it's me writing here.
That's right.
And then if there was another student, they could write the next step
In green,
in green.
divide both sides by 4.
We should have planned ahead better.
That's okay. It's 4.5.
So another way we could use this once Paul's done writing is to divide our screen up so that multiple students could be solving problems and we can all see the work. So I could do problem 1 over here, problem 2, and I could say, Paul, do this one, Steve, do this one. The tapping is me with this Apple Pencil on an iPad. So if we use the microphones that Sheehan got, and we're writing on an interactive TV screen, then we should not have the tapping issue. Okay, we can also show that this is an ever expanding space. So you can write all over it and move over. How do I move over?
Put the magnifying glass again. There you go.
Cool. So there's also a lot of flexibility with how you can move around. And my student Paul is seeing everything that you're seeing in this recording right now.
But then I can choose to move away from following Mrs. Cardy and instead go and zoom in on problem 1, Paul, and work on that problem while she is maybe doing something else off of my screen, off of my panel.
Right, and then you can rejoin, refollow back where I am. Cool, thanks.